Ron back with another video from Ron's drone tech and camera channel. And today we have a product by StartRC. I reviewed several of their products before. This is a tablet holder for the Mini 2, the DJI Mini 2, and of course it would also fit the DJI Mavic Air 2, since I use the same exact controller. And I've been, reviewing a lot of these StartRC products because they are very affordable. They're equivalent to, the PGY tech products. Now, I'm not saying they're better or they match them in quality or anything like that, because that's more of a long-term review. When I reviewed it, when I've had it for a few months, maybe 6 months, a year, I could say, okay, this product, has held up well after many usages, and it compares with a bigger name brand. But for right now, I'm just going to say they make comparable products to some other big name makers of third-party accessories for DJI products, and they're very affordable. You can find them on Amazon, and they usually ship in 2 days if you're a Prime member. But enough of that stuff. So again, this is for the little, the little Air 2, and we're going to do like an unboxing here, and then we're going to actually, try to put it on the tablet and see how easy it is to get it mounted and set up for the first time. So we'll be right back with that. All right, folks. As I stated before, this is the phone pad holder for a DJI Mini 2 Mavic Series remote controller by StartRC. So it has the branding on the side of the box there, and it's a just your standard box, not a extremely high quality or low quality box. So okay, we're going to open it from the top here. It doesn't have any seal, like a tape seal to it. Oh, look at this. Looks like it comes in a little goodie bag type of situation here. So okay, that's all you get in the box. We're going to put the box to the side for right now. Here's the little goodie bag. It feels very plasticky, not real leather, very very plasticky. But anyway, so let's open this up here. It's got these kind of nice little pull handles on the end here. So there we go. So we're going to pull it out of here. Feels like I have more than one kind of part in there. So, okay, let's see here. We got everything out of the bag here. So I'll put that bag to the side for right now. And here's where we get 3 pieces. So we get this part here in plastic, which is obviously the tablet holder. We get another piece here, which looks like the piece that fits in the where you would usually stick your phone or your iPad. Here's a lanyard. Didn't know we were getting a lanyard with this. That's very nice. So let's take this piece out first here. All right. So this is kind of a standard iPad thing here. You get this thing here, and it usually comes like a ball that sticks in there, and then the other goes on the other piece. So let's keep investigating here. So there's nothing else in this bag here, and here's the what looks like to be the lanyard for the device, which that's nice. Always good to have a lanyard. So let's see if anything else is in this bag here. I can't see anything else from the outside, but we will investigate further here. As I have one of these things here that keep it snapped shut here that I'm going to try to pull apart without breaking the bag. Okay. So okay, we're going to pull our lanyard out, which has the StartRC branding on it. Alrighty. So there we go. That's a nice lanyard with the removable piece down here. I don't know what you call these things, but this kind of comes off, and you have this clip here too. So that's very nice. I like these a lot. And then of course it unsnaps here too. So you could keep this part of your neck and pull the controller off, and then put it back on when you're ready to go out and fly, or the reverse if you're done flying. Okay, so let's put this to the side. Very nice. It feels a very nice quality. Okay, so we got this piece here. We have this piece. So we don't have any instructions, but here I figured it out already. You have this here, and then you pull that up, and that makes a ball. and then the ball goes in, you know, this hole here, and you can tighten or loosen this. Like you could, you know, I'm loosened now so the ball will fit, and then you kind of push the ball in. Hold on here. Maybe I didn't loosen up. Push the ball in, and then you tighten it up. And I probably haven't loosened it enough here, but or forced it hard enough, one or the other. But you want these things to go in tight, of course. There we go. Now we got it in. So I don't know if we have this the right way up or not, but of course this slides out here to fit different size devices. You know, like if you had a bigger tablet. I don't know if this fits anything beyond the Apple iPad Mini 5, but we'll see if it you know, if it fits that. So okay, here's your controller for the Air 2, and we're gonna pull this up here. Okay, so there you go. We're going to pull it all the way up here, and then we're going to put this piece. We're going to hold, this is your cord here, of course. We're going to hold that to the side for right now, and we're going to, you know, stick this in. And I don't know if this goes up or down. Let's see if it tells us. I think this is the way, because the writing on it is this is the way the writing's made, and this makes sense because look, you can see how this piece here centers up with, you know, the inside here. Yeah, it's almost like a perfect fit. As you can see, it fits perfectly on these pieces of rubber that come up from the controller, and this bracket piece here that goes down fits perfectly in the space that's in there. So, okay, this is a real good fit. And then I think I had this on correctly. I don't know if I should have that where it slides down, or you go up more, or whether that makes any difference. Maybe it's personal preference. So then I guess you would stick this piece here, you know, through this opening, of course, because you're going to have to connect it to your phone or tablet. So of course this will fit the phones, and we're not going to try the phone in here. We're going to go right to the again, Apple iPad Mini 5, probably the best little device to fly your drones with. So it's, you know, let's put it in this side over here, and then pull this piece over here, and then voila, we got it fitting in there pretty well. And then I think you can probably, maybe you can tighten this up a little bit. And then I need to tighten this up because he has kind of wobbling down on me, but you don't need to sit here and, you know, have me fool with that for 5 minutes. But that's the gist of it here. And then you have your plug here, which, you know, I can see a con here. It doesn't look like it's going to reach. So you may need a bigger OTG cable to reach it over to your Mini's plug there. I don't think it's going to reach like this, so I don't know, I'm going to work with that, but right now it seems like it could be a bit of a con, but I could be doing something wrong here. But that's basically the unboxing and the setup of the StartRC phone and tablet holder for the Mavic Mini 2, I mean the Mini 2, but also, again, we'll work with the Air 2 since it's the same exact controller. So, I hope you, you know, like what you saw in that video. I'm going to test this in the field here shortly, so we'll know how it works out in the field. As I was saying, we're going to test this out in the field, see if it works good under field conditions. But I hope you, you know, enjoyed this little unboxing of the, you know, the StartRC tablet phone holder for the Air 2. Okay, so folks, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing video today for the StartRC product. And you know, if you like what you saw here today, hit that thumbs up button, and be sure to subscribe to the channel, and hit the ring notification bell when I do more product reviews, you know, drone reviews, which is a product, you know, camera tips and so on. So I want to thank everybody, you know, for stopping by, and as they say out on the tubes, we'll see you on the next one, folks.